Boys and girls, we've talked so much about analyzing a character's actions and words to make an inference about what they might be feeling at different times throughout the text, like this example from Mango, Abuela, and Me. Today, I'd like to take a close look at what a character does and says that might give us an idea of what they really want. So we're going to look at the story of The Wednesday Surprise. And our two focus questions are, what does the character do or say? And then what does the character really want? What's their motivation? In the story, Grandma brings her bag of books and she practices reading with Anna every Wednesday. Well, if she comes every Wednesday and she's bringing this huge bag of books and she's practicing and practicing, we can infer that Grandma really wants to learn how to read. Another thing that Grandma does is she pretends that she doesn't remember Dad's birthday, and then she hides the books when she first arrives at their house on the day of the party. Why does Grandma do that? Well, we can infer from her actions, as well as maybe the title of the book, that Grandma wants to surprise Dad by showing him that she has learned how to read. Go back to the story Big Red Lollipop, and I want you to really think about a character's actions and words and what that character might really want in the story. So in that story, Big Red Lollipop, Rubina puts the lollipop in the fridge when she gets home from the party, and the next day she gets up very early to go and get it. On the way home from the party, Rubina says that her little sister doesn't know how to make things last. My question to you today is, what does Rubina really want?